Yung message ko sa'yo, Jamie, I know your life story from Leslie's stories, the stories told by Leslie, and alam mo how hard it is to have a family. To have a very loving family like yours, your sisters, your mom, your dad. And I hope ma-treasure mo yun. And when you grow older, I hope you become like them as well. And sana you be a loving daughter kasi yung dad mo has been very, very lucky to have a daughter like you, tsaka yung mga sisters mo. Parang sa sobrang magkakalala ka sa sisters mo, tsaka sa family mo, I hope you really become like them, God-fearing, tsaka magpursige ka sa pag-aaral, whatever you become in the future, kung anong education na binigay nila sa'yo, i-prove mo sa kanila na deserve mo yon. And I know you really deserve it. And I love you, and happy birthday! And another friend, tsaka friend ng mga sisters, Miss Beverly Joy Santos.
Happy birthday, Jamie! I wish you all the best. Nakita namin kung paano lumaki si Jamie actually. Sobrang happy kami na naging part ka ng cycle ng friends ng mga sisters mo din. I know how much you bond with your family, and alam namin na you're having fun then, and I do hope na lagi kang happy, saka ma-enjoy mo yung life mo as a single, and sabi nila pag dalaga nila kailangan kilos dalaga din and everything, pero if I may say, don't lose the child in you kasi sabi nga nila, pag pagbata, nandun pa rin yung pureness of the heart. And yung joy ng pagiging bata is dapat laging nasa atin, whatever age we're in. Yun. So, happy birthday! We love you, Daisy!